Hi, welcome to the Wildlife. Here we'll talk about penguins' life. In one of the coldest places on Earth, where the wind cuts like a blade, and survival is never guaranteed, a tiny life begins. Every penguin's life begins with a single egg. In Antarctica, emperor penguin parents face a unique challenge. There are no nests, no trees, and no warmth. Penguins are a group of flightless, semi-aquatic, sea birds which live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Only one species, the Galapagos penguin, lives at, and slightly north of, the equator. Highly adapted for life in the ocean water, penguins have counter-shaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Most penguins feed on krill, fish, squid, and other forms of sea life which they catch with their bills and swallow whole while swimming. A penguin has a spiny tongue and powerful jaws to grip slippery prey. The ocean is both a paradise and a battlefield. Here, penguins become fast, graceful swimmers. But danger lurks below the surface. Leopard seals and orcas are always watching. The first swim is a test of courage. Once the penguin dives in, there is no turning back. How does a bird survive temperatures colder than your freezer? Without trees, without shelter, and sometimes without food for weeks. Why do penguins walk miles just to lay a single egg? And how does a baby penguin survive in a world full of predators? They spend about half of their lives on land and the other half in the sea. The largest living species is the emperor penguin, Aptenidites firsteri on average. Adults are about 1.1 meters, 3 feet 7 inches, tall and weigh 35 kilograms, 77 pounds. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, Eudyptula minor, also known as the fairy penguin, which stands around 30 to 33 centimeters, 12 to 13 in, tall, and weighs 1.2 to 1.3 kilograms, 2.6 to 2.9 pounds. Today, larger penguins generally inhabit colder regions, and smaller penguins inhabit regions with temperate or tropical climates. Some prehistoric penguin species were enormous, as tall or heavy as an adult human. There was a great diversity of species in subantarctic regions, and at least one giant species in a region around 2,000 kilometers south of the equator 35 Maya, during the late Eocene, a climate decidedly warmer than today. Penguins for the most part breed in large colonies, the exceptions being the yellow-eyed and fjordland species. These colonies may range in size from as few as 100 pairs for Genda penguins to several 100,000 in the case of king, macaroni, and chinstrap penguins. Living in colonies results in a high level of social interaction between birds, which has led to a large repertoire of visual as well as vocal displays in all penguin species. Agonistic displays are those intended to confront or drive off, or alternately appease and avoid conflict with other individuals. Our next video is coming very soon, where we'll explore the different types of penguins. Most people have no idea about types genus. Thanks for watching. Be happy, be calm, enjoy wildlife. Take care, goodbye.